Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my monthly JewelScent subscription unboxing. Jewels of America. You get a candle each month that is based on a particular state. And this one, sweet tobacco and vanilla. This is for the state of Tennessee. That's an interesting fragrance. So when I was taking it out of the bag, the box comes inside a bag, I was like, ooh, I don't think I like the smell of this one. It's interesting. I'll have to see what it's like when you burn it. I do have a tobacco candle and I really like it. So we'll see. Maybe it'll smell different. Ew. The wax got on there. I'll have to wipe that off. But they also sent, for the extra item, some fragrance beads. So you can use those in your car or put them in a little mesh baggie. Use it anywhere you want some fragrance. Closet, drawer, dresser, anything. So this object changes every month, but you always get a candle. And then here's my sticker. Has a cowboy hat and a guitar. So that goes on the map for Tennessee. And I didn't see, I don't know if it's been released yet, what is next month, but as you can see I have several stickers on here, but still a lot more to collect. So I'm going to go ahead and start burning this, and I'll be back to show you what jewel is inside. I'm not sure this month if it's a ring or a necklace or what, so we will find out. Okay, I take back anything negative I said about the smell of this candle. I like it when it's burning. It smells really good. It does smell similar to my other tobacco candle. So yeah, I do like it. I don't know necessarily that I could smell vanilla, but I don't know, it just has a nice fragrance once it's burning. So the ring is right on top, or whatever piece of jewelry this is. I guess it could be earrings or a necklace. Ooh, something sharp is poking at me. Let's see. Jackson's here with me. Did you even smell it?
No.
You haven't been in one of my videos in the longest time. I'll let you smell it in a second. Oh. Okay, so I did get earrings. I'm going to try to refrain until I see them. Here, smell this. Tell me what it smells like. What do you think about that scent?
I don't know.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
You do? What does it smell like to you?
Vanilla.
You're just saying that because you heard me say vanilla, aren't you? SG43, I think that's the $40 code. You would think after so many years I would remember that, and I don't. These are kind of big, but they're purple. I like the purple color. Long post. So let's double check the code. Make sure it appraises for at least $40. So the code is actually SG46. It kind of skipped the printing there. And that says it only appraises for $20, which this is supposed to be at least $40. So I guess I will have to contact them again. Second month in a row. Last month I had a broken candle. Most of the times though they're pretty on it and with it, and even if there is a problem they're very quick to respond. So I did go to their website to double check that this is still a requirement. It does say valued $40 plus, and it does show that Rhode Island is next month. So very cool. I don't know if it's going to be earrings again. Doesn't always mean that. So yeah, interesting. So I guess I will contact them and I'll wait to post this video, hopefully find out something soon and I can tell you guys what happened. But that's what I got this month. Please subscribe to my channel for more jewelry, candle, and bath bomb reveals. And thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.